Hello, let's do the New York Times Medium Sudoku for June 10th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, along with a video that goes over my methodology, terminology, and how the techniques work. So if you do get at all confused about my solve, definitely reference that video in the description. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, starting with this 2-7, we do have two 2s here. This 2 helps out, putting a 2 in one of these two. We also have the 7, but there has no buddy. The 9, we have these two 9s looking in. There's a 9 in one of these two. That's it for buddies. Okay, there are 4 left in this box. Let's think about them. We need the 3, 5, 6, and 7. So this cannot be the 6 or the 7. So this is down to 3, 5. These are all of 3, 5, 6, 7. So we can't do much more with that. At the moment, at least. All right, so now we move on to the next band. We have the 5 and the 6. So we'll start with the 5 here. 5 looks into this box. Placing the 5, let's do that. In fact, I'm just going to fill out what this pair is as well. In fact, we need the 2. So the 2 fills out. And we need the 4. So very nice. Now this box is filled. That actually places the 2 in this box. All right, so the 5 and 6. We have these two 5s looking over. There's a 5 here, and then we have these two 6s looking over. The 6 here. All right. Anything else of note? Actually, I don't think we can do much more with this band. So let's move on to the next band. I'm curious about this stack. But we'll get there. We have the 1, 2, and 6. So just the 2 has a buddy. And that actually places the 2 in this box because we also have this 2 here looking in. 1 and 6, and then we have the 8. Yeah, nothing there. Okay, so now we're going to do this stack here. So we're going to start with the 2 and the 9. So 2s are done. We do have the two 9s looking down. So 9's in one of these 3. And then we have the 1 and the 6. So the 1s look up. This one helps. And then we have the 6s looking up, putting a 6 in one of these two. All right. This column is down to 3 digits. We need the 3, 5, and 8. I'm just going to mark that up. 3, 5, 8. This can't be the 5 or the 8. So this is the 3. This is 5. This is 8. That finishes those. All right, we get the 3 there. Now we want to follow up on this band that we just got a bunch of digits for. So the 2, the 5, and the 8. So the 8 has a buddy. 8's up here. The 5 does not. This box has been reduced to 3 digits, though. So it is this the 5, 6, 7. And then this row is down to 4 digits. We need the 1, 4, 6, 9. 1, 4, 6, 9. This is not a 1, so this is 4, 6. It's not a 9 either. So this is 1, 4 only. It can't be 6 or 9. This can't be 4, so this is 1, 6, 9. I think this can be any of 1, 4, 6, 9. So we won't mark that one. This is not down to 4. We have this over here. Okay. That might be it in terms of following up right now. We also got this 3. So let's follow up on that in this band. 3's in one of these two. This box is not quite ready for marking. It's got 5 open cells. So that might be it for following up with that. Okay, let's do this stack here. So I've got the 5s looking up. This 5 looks in, putting a 5 in one of these two. We also have the 2s looking down. This 2 looks in, putting a 2 in one of these two. And we have the 7 looking down. This is the filled box column that we're doing this 7 for. It puts a 7 in one of these two. That points up along with this 7 and this 7, putting a 7 in one of these two. The 2 and the 5 don't help, unfortunately. Okay. I think that's all we get out of that stack. Let's look at this stack here. Start with the 6. Nobody for the 6. The 2 and the 8. We have both. So these 2s look in, and this 2 looks in. Placing this 2. Follow up with the band. Places this 2 here. Anything else to follow up with? Yes, this row is now down to 4. So we need the 3, 4, 5, and 8. Well, the 5's not here, so these are just down to 3, 4, 8. That's also not a 3. This can't be 4 or 8, so this is 3, 5, but this can be any of 3, 5, 4, 8. I guess I should be saying 3, 4, 5, 8. Sorry. All right. That's the follow-up on getting that 2. We also have these 8s here. Putting an 8 in one of these two. And then this column is down to 3. So what do we have left? We have the 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 5, and 7. This can't be the 4, 5. So this is 7. That places the 7 here. Anything else to follow up with? Yeah, this row is down to 4 now. We need the 1, 6, 8, 9. This can't be 8, so it's 1, 1. Oh, it can't be 6 either, so 1, 9. So this is 1, 8, 9. I think these can be any of 1, 6, 8, 9, so we're not going to mark that. This pair is now, we have 1, 2, 3. We need 4 and 5. This 4 tells us the order. That's 5 and 4. We can follow up on those now. These 5s look in. This 5 looks down. Placing the 5. These 4s look in. Placing the 4. This is a filled box row now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, no help there. This row is down to 3 digits. We need the 1, 7, 9. We know that we're just going to fill it out. 1, 7, 9. We know that's not 7. Okay. Anything else to follow up with here? Not that I can tell. This box, actually. This box. Oh, actually, this 4 we got gives us the 6 up here. I didn't notice that. That's not a 6. This is 1, 4, 9 now. It's worth marking. This whole box might be worth marking now. We're down to 1, 3, 4, 7. This can't be 1, 3, or 4. So this is a naked 7. That leaves a 1, 3, 4 triple here. That's not 1, that's not 4. This 7 places 7 in this box. 5, 6 pair places the 5 in this box. These are 3, 4, 8. That's not 3, that's not 4. Okay. I don't need these 1s marked. All right, this is going to be a single because we have all the other digits. So we need a 7, it looks like. And then this is a pair. Looks like it's an 8, 9 pair. Okay. This can't be 7 anymore. So that places 7 in this row. All right, lots to follow up with. Let's look at this box first. We need 1, 6, 8, 9. Really? 1, 6, 8, 9? Nothing? I'm actually seeing nothing. Okay, we can't mark that yet. This row is also 1, 6, 8, 9 then. This can't be 8, so it's 1, 6, 9. That's it. Okay, so what can I do here? What should I follow up on? Was I doing this stack? I think I was doing this stack. It's been so long. All right, let's do this stack then. We have all our 2s, 6s, 7s. Okay, so 7 in this box is actually placed. That places the 3. So now this is down to not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. One, 3. This isn't 5 or 6. So what is this? This could be 1. It's not 2. It could be 3. It's not 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could be 9. Okay. In fact, let's look at this row in general. It needs 1, 3, 4, 9. 1, 3, 4, 9. This isn't 4, so this is also 1, 3, 9. Down here we have 1, 6, 9, and that makes the 6's point from this box. So this can't actually be 6. This is down to 1, 8, 9. For what it's worth, the 6 is in here. I'm missing something. Okay, so is there more to mark, or do I need to go box by box is really the question at this point. It feels like the puzzle's almost done, but I'm missing just like one thing here. Okay, I see what'll give us progress, and it's going to require box by box. Luckily, it uses box 2. So what we're going to look for here is things that involve both the band and the stack. So specifically, first of all, always double check the corner marks. Sometimes you might have just messed up the center marks based on the corner marks. We did not in this case, but then look at pairs of givens, especially ones that share a row or column. So like this 2, 7. Because they share a column, there's going to be one row that they aren't in. Look at all the digits in that row that aren't already placed in the box. So 4, 8, and 9 are the interesting ones. And then you look at the 2 columns they aren't in, and you want to find 4s, 8s, or 9s. So we find the 4. So this 4 looks in, this 4 looks in, and it passes through this 2, 7. So actually in this box, 4 can only be in 2 places, which is here. And that's going to point down, removing the 4 from here. Because if there was a 4 here, we wouldn't be able to put a 4 in this box anywhere. So this actually ends up in 8. And that's what I saw to get us some progress here. So that places the 8 in this box. This is now down to 1, 6, 9. This 8 also comes back up, giving us this 4. That's 3, 1, and 4. That's an 8. That's not a 4. So we're left with a 1, 9 pair. That's not an 8. So these 8s are actually point. Not that it matters. This is a pair. We have 1, 2. We need a 3. The 3 can only go here. That's 4. And then the last digit is a 6, it looks like. That places the 6 here, and the 6 here, and the 8. And the 9 and the 1. That's 9. So yeah, that's all we needed, those pointing 4s. Confession, I actually saw that right at the start, but because in the mediums I use that systematic method, I ignored it until I was forced to use it. There were a few other crossings I saw that ended up not being needed. Just finishing up these digits here. We've got the 9 here. Got the 5 and the 6. We got the 3 and the 5. That's a 4, and we're done. All right, I am going quickly because I just recorded a huge Sudoku adventure video, which will be coming out tomorrow. So look forward to that. Or today if you're watching this on the 10th. Cool. So nice. Hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.